Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Google Play while making a purchase. So if you want to add a payment method while making a purchase, it will be automatically saved in your account, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Google Play Store. And then, for example, you want to change to buy certain apps. For example, you want to install an editing app. So the premium one that you have to pay, for example, you want to install this Ibis Paint, and then you just need to you want to buy it, just click on the amount, click on this, and then you want to purchase it right away. And if you want to change the payment method because you don't you think that this payment method is not best for you, you just need to click on that, and then you can change the other payment method that you find suits you the most. For example, I want to change it into using maybe this, and just like that, the payment has been changed, and you just need to click on the green button at the bottom. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can change your payment method while you were making a purchase. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.